Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my 2-bead application without wasting any product. As you guys can tell, I already placed my first bead down right where my natural nail and my nail tip meet. I'm just making sure I get my acrylic all over the nail tip, making sure it's fully covered. And right where I get to the end, I drag what's not needed down so that I can take it off, and I replace what is still able to be moldable around where I put the natural nail tip and the nail, and I make sure that I seal it in really well so that there's no lifting. As you can see, I pat it in, blend it in, and you do want to clean up your sides. This is easier for whenever you go shaping or anything like that. It makes time so much faster. As you see, I put my bead right where the natural nail tip is, and I put my fake nail tip, patting, making sure I'm covering all my nail tip. And then once I get to the bottom, I drag down and clean up my sides as well. Drag down, and then I place that bead back where I put my natural nail tip and the nail tip and my natural nail, sorry. And I'm patting, making sure everything is literally melted in. I want it to look like it's growing off of you. I put drier beads when I do my cuticle ones just because you don't want it to be runny or get all over the cuticle area. Again, I put my bead there and I pat it. Make sure you pat. Don't swipe or pull. Pat, pat, pat. And then once you get to the end, that's when you can start dragging it down a bit. Cleaning up your sides. Make sure you clean those sides up. Guys, once you clean your sides up, it'll be a life changer. With shaping, your application will look so flawless. Again, putting my bead where the cuticle area is. One of my biggest pet peeves when watching nail tech videos is like seeing how much acrylic people waste, and I don't get it. If it's still moldable, I'm gonna use it. I understand if it's like drier or like you already picked up a dry bead from the jump, but no. I will always try to use what I can.